Hello my friends, and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now today I'm doing a pasta dish that is a little bit different in its ingredients. It is a beer and sausage pasta. It sounds bizarre, but I can assure you it is absolutely delicious. So I'm going to start with a pan of boiling water, and I am going to add 200 grams of, in this case, penne pasta with plenty of salt added. Cook that pasta until it's about 90% cooked. Next, I'm going to take 3 pork sausages, good quality pork sausages, and first of all remove the skin from the sausages. Like I say, these sausages should be of a decent quality with quite a high meat content to them to make this dish work effectively. Now these may look disgusting, but I can assure you the dish will end up surprisingly delicious. And then we'll break the meat up into small chunks. And I add half a tablespoon of olive oil to a frying pan. And add 65 grams of pancetta to the pan. Before it gets hot, I want the pan to heat up and the fat from the pancetta to ooze out. A bit of salt and plenty of black pepper. Keep it cooking for a couple of minutes and then add the sausage meat. Break up the chunks as best you can. Then I add 2 cloves of garlic, finely sliced. Cook them in. And then add the all-important 150 milliliters of beer. Again, let it all cook in, let the liquid reduce by about half. Before adding 150 milliliters of double cream or heavy cream for the Americans. Again, let that heat up again and let the liquid reduce. And then add the pasta to the pan. Give it a good mix. You want all that pasta to be coated by that lovely, creamy, beery sausage sauce. If it gets a little dry, you can add some of the pasta cooking water. And basically, the dish is done. All that's left is to add some chopped fresh parsley and some parmesan cheese, and you can tuck in. Please, if you like this video, please consider subscribing. It'll mean the world to me, and hit that notification bell and you'll be notified of any videos that I upload in future. Thanks for watching, people. Peace, love, take care.